talk about this Charlie Burg song, You Used To. That's kind of what's going on there. C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, C major 7. So you really only got two shapes there. You get this major 7 shape. Looking at these three fingers. All right, we got this one, the B string. Our root is on the 3rd fret. Okay, that's a G. We have our second finger, so we're going to have our index on the G. We're going to have our second finger on the B string, on the same fret, fret 3. All right. This one, your ring finger is going to be on the D string on fret 4. And your pinky is going to be on the G string at fret 4. We're not playing the A string is muted by your index finger. We don't, and the high E is muted as well. So that's what we play for the G. We play that also, same shape, at the 8th fret for the C. Okay, another way to think about this is like take this A minor shape you learn in the open position, except we're going to play it with these three fingers. Now if we slide that up, so this finger's on the 3rd fret and these fingers are on the 4th. All we need to do is add this finger on the 3rd fret, and we got our. It's like a G over this A minor shape. This would be like a C over this A minor shape. Now it's not playing A minor anymore because we moved it up to the 8th fret, but that's another way to think about it. These minor 7 chords. They're pretty easy. They look funky and they sound funky, but we just take our B is at the 7th fret. That's our root on the low E string. All right, we just take this finger, kind of turn it to the side. We're gonna play G, D, G, B, and with our index finger, we're gonna play the low E. And like the other chord, our A string's muted. And then we just slide that down to the 5th fret. And then we go to our G major 7. Alright, I'll show you that little turnaround he does. Okay, he's still going to G, but when he does the turnaround, he plays the G like this. Just like a little F-shaped triad. Index on the 3rd fret on the B. Middle on the G string at the 5th. Or, I'm sorry. 3rd fret on the B with your index. 4th fret on the G with your middle. And your ring fingers on the D at the 5th. It's like a stair step shape. It's the same shape you learn as an F when you first start playing. And we're not playing the high E though. We're just leaving that. Just playing B, G, D. Okay, so he goes A. The turnaround is A. This is part of D minor. But we're just going to play A string at the 4th fret. I'm sorry, A string at the 5th fret. And the G string at the 5th fret. you want to put your index finger on the 3rd fret on the D, you can do that. But it's a bit of a stretch, so. And it's just a passing chord, right? Really, he's going to the G. This is just a passing chord on the way. That's the turnaround. You could leave the turnaround off. Just play G, or C major 7. Just play that. Now there's a little section he does like a little breakdown. It's F minor, just a bar chord. 6-string root. Then he does B, but he's just playing it on strings D, G, E, or D, G, B. So you can come right back to the F sharp. And then he goes to C sharp minor 7. And he does a pull off. When you pull off, you're playing the B again. And just like we played it with our ring finger here. Now we're playing with our index finger. And then he does like kind of like, remember we were playing these minor 7 shapes? It's kind of like he goes to a minor 7 there. Except he's just playing it on the top 4 strings. So all together it's something like that. Okay, so that should give you plenty to practice. I don't know if I've covered everything in the song, but that's the main part. And he's a good player to aspire to. But, you know, it takes a lot of practice to play the R&B the way he's playing it. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.